Dear students, now you are going to see how to write your semester examinations online and how to scan and upload your answer scripts after you write the examination for this semester. For this, first and foremost, check whether you have enough data for writing the exam, and also make sure where you will get the full signal strength to write the examination. Next, kindly go to your browser and click settings and delete all the history and cookies in that. See to that you log in to the exam 15 minutes prior to the time. Now go to the college website and click the student login. Here give your username and password and click login. Now the next window will open where you will find the option semester exam. Please click it. Suppose if you have any college dues, then you will not be able to write the semester examination. Therefore, kindly clear all the dues before you log into the semester examination web page. If you do not have dues, then when you click the semester exam icon, you will see several important instructions appearing for you. You must use only PDF format for uploading your answer scripts. And when you give the file name for the PDF, please see to that you don't use special characters like this. Rename the file name of your answer scripts by typing your register name underscore your subject code. Make sure you upload the answer scripts within the time stipulated here. Now choose your subject code and click view question paper, and you will see your question paper. Download the question paper and start writing your exam. Kindly use A4 size paper and black pen to write your exam. Even before writing the exam, make sure you have made ready all the things like paper, pencil, scale kept ready for you. In the first page of your answer script, please write your register number, subject code, semester, subject title, your name and signature in this particular format. These details are needed only in the first page. In the subsequent pages, please write the page number, subject code and your register number. In each page, you should write a minimum of 25 lines. Write the question numbers outside the margin. After writing your exam, scan the answer script and convert it into a single PDF and enable the name option. Save the file in register number underscore subject code format. Now in the web page, click choose file option to upload your answer scripts. Now you will see your roll number underscore subject code is displayed there, and once you see this, now click upload, and when you click this button you will see that the file is uploaded successfully and this message will be indicated to you. After this, you can click the option view uploaded answer script, and once you click this, now you will be able to see the answer script that you have just now uploaded in the website. Once again thoroughly, and once you are done this, you can click the logout button in the web page. Now this is how you should scan your answer scripts. For this, kindly download an app that will scan your answer scripts. Now this is how you can use this software called Office Lens and then compile your whole answer script into a one PDF file. Install Office Lens and open it. Using this app, you can scan your answer script page by page by using the option capture a document. For scanning the subsequent pages, use the option add. After this, you can click this button done. Now you will be prompted to ask which format you want to save, and you choose PDF option. In the space provided for title, now type your register number underscore your subject code and then finally click done, and your file will be saved in your mobile. Now in your mobile, click the file manager option and then click internal memory. Here you will find an option documents. In this you will find an option Office Lens and click this. Here you will find your scanned document. Only from here you have to upload the answer script in your login page. During your semester examinations, if you have any difficulty in uploading the documents, you can contact your exam invigilator and they will help you. Suppose you find it difficult to attend the online examinations from your own place, you can come to the controller's office in advance, get the permission and then write the exam from the college. And the arrangements are already being made for this. Kindly note that after you finish all the examinations, you must submit all the answer scripts to the college. That is, after your final examination is over, within the next 2 days, you can come to the college and submit the answer scripts to the controller's office, or you can send it through post or courier. While doing so, place all your answer scripts in a neat A4 cover and write the address like this by writing your department address and your own address. Moreover, please keep all the acknowledgements safe with you for sending the answer scripts. Please do not forget to send a photocopy of the acknowledgement along with the answer scripts. The answer scripts that you are sending through post is only for reference. The answer scripts that you upload regularly during your examination will be alone taken for valuation. Dear students, kindly note that you are supposed to upload your answer scripts only in the PDF format. And if you upload the papers in any other format, or if you exceed the time limit given to you, your paper will not be valued. Kindly take note of this and oblige, and don't regret later. Note that you are supposed to upload the answer script on the same day of the examination within the time limit given, and there is no change in this rule, and you will not be given a second chance to upload the answer scripts. As soon as you log in, your exam invigilator will take the attendance. And remember, taking attendance and uploading answer scripts has no connection with each other. You can refer to the timetable of the examinations that is published in our website. And note that this timetable is subjected to change as per the announcements made by the Government of Tamil Nadu. You don't need a hall ticket to attend the online examinations. For your convenience, all the important messages pertaining to the examinations will be published in the WhatsApp groups created for that, and kindly follow this. So do your exams well. We wish you all the very best and success for your examinations. Thank you.